Hi, my name is Adil Yazi and I'm working as a sales director Germany at the company Wizata. Today I will give you an insight into our Wizata platform. I will show you how easy it is to create conditions in our Data Explorer. The Data Explorer allows process engineers or operators to analyze the data. So the question is, for what do you need this step? Imagine you have a manufacturing process where the temperature plays a big role for the quality. The goal here is to identify and analyze data very quickly. And also you will see that a coding language is not necessary to create conditions. Our experience has shown that you are about 6 times faster in the root cause analysis than normally needed, because you can fix a time period and see directly what happens. This is one of many functions in our Data Explorer, which I will show you now. Here, for example, we have a temperature curve progression. So if you want to know whether the temperature has been constant in this displayed period, you can simply create conditions. So let's say we want to see at what point the temperature is higher than 850 degrees. So you enter here the name, high temperature, select one sensor, and here you have the possibility to select different conditions. So in our example, we want to see where the temperature is higher than 850 degrees. So of course, you have also here the possibility to give to the Data Explorer a range of the time period where you want to go in detail. So if we click on Save, we will see here directly where the temperature is above 850 degrees and where it's under. So maybe you have here also a quality issue. So you saw it was very easy and user-friendly to create conditions. So this was a short session. Thank you for watching and feel free to share the video with your colleagues. Thank you very much.